Hello and welcome to my Jamberry application video. Over the next few minutes you will watch me explain how to apply your wraps. I'd like to dedicate this video to my good friend Amanda. To put your wrap on you'll need a file, cuticle pusher, orange stick. For this method we're going to use a plastic bag. This is just a sandwich bag. We'll also need a tissue, some fingernail polish remover, but you could also use anything like an alcohol swab or white vinegar, and the mini heater. And you can use other heat sources such as hair dryers, but I do find the mini heater so much more convenient and easy to use. It's really important your nails prepped properly and all those nasty oils are removed, and the cuticle. Prep is really important. So what you need to do with your nail is get your orange stick, push back the cuticle and make sure there's absolutely no cuticle left on the cuticle's pushed back as far as it is. Then using your tissue and some fingernail polish remover, just give that a really good clean, because you need to remove all those oils, otherwise your wrap won't stick as well as what it could. If your finger looks like this, it's most probable that you have over-prepped. Jamberry wraps adhere to your nail by using heat and pressure. It's very important that you remember heat and pressure. Now, normally a sheet would look something like this. This is one that I've used previously down here. Now today though, I'm just looking at a few odds and sods that I've got left. You go through and you measure to see which one will fit, making sure when you look down there's a little bit of nail each side. The smaller the wrap, the better, because if it ends up too large, it'll end up on your skin and it won't stick. So I'm going to use this little one down here. I'm going to get my scissors and my cuticle pusher, and I'm going to just tease up that end and pull it up, cut it halfway, then use my orange stick to have that sticking on. Then I'm going to heat it up with the mini heater, only for a few seconds, probably about 5 seconds, but I always wait until it curls just a little bit. Okay, you've got your curl there. Then imagining the middle of the wrap to the middle of your finger, just place it on and push down at the top, pushing right down to the end of your nail, and then sideways, 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 getting your cuticle pusher and pushing that down each side. I've got fairly strong nails, but if you don't, you can just cut off that excess and then use your file to trim, but I just 90 degrees straight up and down, I can file that excess off straight away. Okay, if you use your nails as tools instead of jewels, just hold your file at about a 45-degree angle and just file off the tip, just so there's a tiny bit of nail showing, and that way if you're hitting anything, you're hitting the nail instead of the wrap, and the wrap shouldn't lift. Now to get it to stay really well, I use a plastic bag and I wrap it around the end, because it's all about heat and pressure, heat and pressure. Now hold it to the heater for a few seconds, and that should strongly then stick to your nail, and again just go over it with your cuticle pusher. And awesome, I've got a wrap that accents my carnival. Thank you very much for watching. If your finger looks like this, then you have added too much heat.